The concept car VIIA interprets the concept of looking at the stars through everything with a new stance and is a perfect expression of the power of verticality. VIIA basically consists of 3 modes: driving mode, drone mode, and game mode. In addition to the familiar driving mode, drone mode offers another pair of eyes extending outward, allowing users to enjoy the scenery they have never seen before. Game mode has unlimited imagination, leading users to explore the limitless spiritual world. The spirit that VIIA wants to express is breakthrough. The sense of virtuality and reality displayed in its cockpit is a vast universe created for users who are curious about innovation, allowing them to travel freely. In order to create the best interaction, we should first start by considering the relationship between people and cars. This time, VIIA has redefined the interaction pattern according to the user's behavioral habits. The technology strip that runs from the front to the back of the vehicle accompanies the user. The technology strip also integrates technologies such as radar, probes, electronic rearview mirrors, and biometrics, making the design simpler and more extraordinary. VIIA forms a light language interactive system with a group of light beams radiating from the middle logo to both sides, together with the technology strip. Information about the interaction between humans and vehicles is formed through the changes and rhythms of light. In addition, the light language system, which reflects the basic idea of vertical power, will continue to be enriched and repeated. Of course, the sharp shark nose shape can still be seen in VIIA. This is a continuation of Changan Design's explorations along the way, inheriting the family gene that integrates sensory aesthetics with intelligent functions. The light beam shape on the side is inspired by discovering a projector in the vast universe. It is solid, strong, and full of hope, and is a perfect interpretation of the breakthrough intention. In terms of interior, the designer entrusted the core of the atmosphere of this concept car to the light from the universe galaxy. The transparent floor surface made of special materials and the illuminated crystal arch running through the interior make the screen, door panels, seats, all seem to float in the universe. This weightless design creates an infinite, boundless, and free atmosphere space. The cabin space of VIA and the new technologies it carries are extraordinary. The interior adopts a unique 3-person layout. In driving mode, the rear passengers become kings with their own cabins. When entering game mode, the car door opens and the front seats move sideways, allowing 3 passengers to come together, breaking the boundaries of the front and rear seats, allowing users to truly play with space. In general, due to Changan Automobile's comprehensive transformation towards electrification, intelligence and digitalization, and the continuous breakthroughs and evolution of technological levels, Changan and the entire automotive industry are facing unprecedented complex iterations. Automobile design can no longer use a single definition to meet the diverse needs of users, nor can it use a single language to express the entirety of aesthetics. The value of technological realization is no longer limited to the function itself. The automobile has a deeper definition, an intelligent living organism that integrates the physical and digital worlds and grows with its users. Therefore, Changan uses more forward-looking design thinking to respond to diverse and rapidly changing user needs. In the new era, across everything, which constitutes the new generation design concept, interprets technological Changan intelligent partner with new meanings.